Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Best SQL. Today we will have a demo and we will see how exactly SQL editor and we get the details from the database where the data is being stored. So today we will see three different things. First is on the select, how exactly select keyword we can use and get the data and retrieve it and see it on the screen. Then there is a concept called primary key, foreign key. So that also we will see today. And last one is the order by. So to show the results in a specific manner, we will show the details here. Now with the select statement, we will execute some queries. So I have picked up three different tables like customer, orders and shipping. So these are the select statement for this. And on the left side, as you can see, we have a customer, then we have a different columns or with the data type. So customers is having columns like customer ID, first name, last name, age and country. Now what is the type? So for the customer ID we have the int, that is an integer. Then for the name it will be a varchar and country also it will be a varchar. Then next one is on the orders. So orders will have the order ID, then item, amount and customer ID. So likewise you can see we are having tables along with the details and their data type for the columns, which will help us to see the details on the screen. Now we'll show you one by one. Now I will run the SQL query. Now as you can see, first is the customer. So for the customer we are getting details like first name, last name, age and country. And in the first name, last name, you can see it is as is data what is being stored into the database. Now if you check the orders, so in the orders we are having order ID, then the items are like keyboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, mousepad, and each will have its relevant amount and the customer ID. Then we have a shipping table. So what exactly shipping table stores? So shipping table stores about the item and what is the shipping status of that item, whether it's delivered, whether it's pending or it is in transit. So likewise we are having status here. Now in order to link these tables or in order to see the details in the table, or when we are going to insert a data, there is a concept called foreign key and a primary key. So primary key is nothing but the main key for each table where you will store a data and it will not be same throughout the table, so it will be unique always. So that is the concept of the primary key. Now in primary key you can see for the customers we are having primary key as a customer ID, then orders we are having order ID, and then we are having shippings, we are having shipping ID. Now what is foreign key? So foreign key is the key which will be primary key for another table. So what does it mean? So if you see the orders table, on the left side is, if you can see, there is order ID. So order ID is a primary key and the customer ID is the foreign ID, foreign key. So what is the customer ID? Customer ID is a primary key for the customers. So we are having foreign key even into the shipping table. So as you can see here in the shipping table, we are having foreign key as a customer. So this is the primary key and foreign key concept. Now we will see about the order by. So order by usually help us to show the data in a specific manner. Now let's say there is a requirement for you that you need to show the result or the customers of their age in the descending order. So how you will do that? So there is a query called select star from customers order by age DSA. So DSA is nothing but the descending order. So as you can see, all the customers are being showcased here with their age in the descending order. Correct? Now how exactly you will print in the ascending order? So for the ascending order, I will type it. So just put I will use ascending order, select star from customers, order by age in ascending order, AC. Now if you run this, you will get the details in the ascending order. So as you can see, it is coming in the ascending order. There is another way for the ascending order. You don't need to give the AC. So if you just give the order by age, it will be considered as a ascending order. So if I show you here, you can see data is coming in the ascending order. Okay, so this is the data and we should be getting in the ascending order. So it is not necessary to give the ASC as a keyword when you want to display the results into the ascending order, but for the descending order we need to explicitly write keyword called as DESC. Thank you all. Kindly like and subscribe the video.